Uy, chocolate. Now, do you like Bulk Barn?
Oh my god. I don't know what this was. It's just all candy.
Hindi lang candy. Marami ding mga ibang stuff dito. Yan. So, meron din silang ano. What is this? Ground almonds.
Yeah. Like,
Ground almonds.
yeah.
Meron silang flaxseed, oh.
You want raisins?
Raisins. Sigurado meron din silang ano dito, anak, yung chia seed, no? Ito yung mga main good, ano, made good. Ano yan? Brown sugar? Peanut butter? Peanut butter powder?
You can make chicken soup with that.
Hmm?
You can make chicken soup with that.
Ano eh? Ayo, seafood chowder soup, oh. Seafood chowder
I
soup.
guess you just make soup.
Yeah. Vegetarian chicken base.
What are these?
Ha? Ayan, wild rice.
Beef soup?
Vegetable soup.
So if I eat that, it's gonna taste like beef? I'm like, gravy?
Gravy mix.
What is this?
Ano yan?
Vegetarian.
Bouillon. Ano yan,
There's
anak?
such
Yung parang
thing as vegetarian beef.
parang nor cubes.
Nor cubes.
Yeah.
These are noodles. Those are not.
Chow mein noodles. Uy,
Salted caramel.
hot chocolate.
Oh my gosh, I want that.
French vanilla.
Oh my gosh, I want that.
Tignan mo nga kung merong ano dito, matcha powder.
Oh my gosh.
Right? Hindi, baka dito.
Maybe we missed it.
Creamy white chocolate.
I thought that said Jesus.
Jubes.
Are those the rocks?
Ano yan?
I remember it's the Philippines.
Ano yan?
They're chocolate rocks.
Chocolate rocks.
Do you remember? Do you remember eating something like that?
Oh.
What? They had it in a packet and I would eat a lot and I was like,
Meron din sila mga pasta, oh.
whoa, that looks good.
Not your nana's pasta.
I mean, it's like very colorful.
What kind of name is that? Not your nana's pasta.
There's so much of it.
Yeah. Ano yan? Chocolate? Dark chocolate
No,
covered
it's not chocolate, it's poop.
It's ginger, covered ginger.
Ginger?
Yeah.
Oh.
You will actually find everything here.
Can we get it sampled? Yes, everything.
Smooth peanut butter, almond butter. Ano yan?
White brown.
What's that?
White brown.
Ayan o, chia seed oh. Chia seed.
Oh, that's the one you want?
Ayan yung binibili namin ni Mama sa
That's
Costco.
the
Ano, pati soap ba?
soap.
Pati soap, no?
Oh, this is awesome. I was about to eat it.
Ay, brown sugar. Dark brown sugar.
Whoa, that's hot.
Masala.
That can kill you.
Gusto mong i-check yung nandan? Meron din silang powder milk dito. Kompleto sila sa candy, oh. Ha?
75% off the original.
Oh, nice. Reese.
That's my favorite chocolate.
Akala ko bang gusto mo yan? Yung Reese,
Yeah, it's my favorite chocolate. I'm sick. Rocks.
OMGs.
Wait, can I just like
Cookies and cream, anak. It's cookies and cream.
Oh, I thought it was like rocks.
Ito, Big Turk Bites. Chocolate.
I just want to scoop them.
Oh, ang dami pang candy dito. Kasing candy blocks. Anak, tignan mo to, candy blocks. you can make a house out of it.
Like,
Like Lego.
do you hear the sound?
Yep. Vanilla Graham cluster. Oh, they have everything.
Sure it is. Looney Tooney. Quarter, nickel,
Yeah.
dime. What's a dime? 10 cents?
I guess so.
Nickel. Wait, a quarter is 25 and a nickel is 5. That's a.
Ay, gumballs. That's actually nice, eh? What's that?
I don't know, tea.
Oh, tea.
You can tell Mama. There's so much stuff.
Ano tong mga green stuff na to? Ay, blue. It's so colorful. Anak, tignan mo. What is that?
What the? Wait, can I scoop it? I just want to scoop it.
ASMR.
Whoa, smell it. Smells like grape.
Naman eh. Smells like my childhood.
Oh. I thought you were about to say that.
Meron din pink.
Oh my gosh, I always wanted to try that. The salt water. But it's very salty. What's that?
Salt water.
Like,
Ano to? Coffee.
no.
Oh boy.
What is that? Oh, it's fake.
It's fake.
Yeah. Hi, Chu.
Ah?
Hi, Chu. Hi, Chu. Oh, that's
Ah, meron din sila mga spices, oh.
like
Cinnamon stick. The color is so nice, eh?
That's all. Wait, that's not. Wait, literally
that.
all the
What's
candies
that?
are here.
Yeah. All the kinds of candies.
This is where the grandma's gets the candies.
Ah?
You know how Lola always had candy?
Yeah.
This is where she gets them. There's just-
Ah. Yeah.
Remember that packet that made me puke?
Sa Costco, meron
I
ganyan.
ate so much, and I puked, and I never want to eat it again.
Yogurt covered pretzels. They have
This
everything.
is where all the Lolas get the candies. You know those random candies? What is fried egg?
Why?
Smell it, smell it, smell it.
Smell? What? Oh yeah. Ay, ano yan?
Turkish delight. I saw this on TikTok.
Pero parang maraming bumibili ah.
They smell good.
It's called round cake. Anong tawag dyan? Giant cola gummies.
Look how much sugar there is.
Huh?
Look how much sugar there is.
Oh my
It's like a
god.
mountain.
So much sugar.
Gucci.
Ah, yun yung kinakain mo. Kaya sumakit yung throat mo. Ang daming stuff dito. Ano yan? What is that?
You know those TikToks
Fun sports.
where they make it?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells.
Why, what's wrong with the...
It's super
Ay, oh, tignan mo to, Sophie, oh. Chocolate covered sandwich cookie.
I'm gonna be fat
Yeah.
if you guys.
Kung magkakaroon ng zombie apocalypse, are you gonna...
Okay, I would be dead.
Are you gonna choose this place to hide out?
I would be sick and die. Because I'm eating all of this.
Dapat dalhin natin si mama dito. Ito, puro sugar na yata to.
You're dead.
Stevia. Ang dami nilang pang baking din dito. Ah, complete pancake mix. Cookie dough.
Oh, it's like that. How are you gonna make it then? Wait, no, no.
Ha?
I wanna make cookies. I'm sick.
You wanna make
Oh.
cookies?
Whoa, the lighting's so good. Oh, what's this? They have everything. Do you remember these stars? What? Yo. Smells like
Bilis, pasok ka na. Na parang na-renovate nila ng konti, no? Why not?
modern. Like, it's not like homey.
What?
Wow.
Ay, kakain na si Sophie. Uy, sarap.
Guys, look.